So I'm literally just in the door from the Sean Tucker photo walk that happened in Birmingham in conjunction with Wex. It is not my forte, as you can clearly see. Street photography is not my thing. I try really hard. I do actually enjoy it. So I got a train to Birmingham and I managed to make my way there. It was really busy, which is bizarre because it's like the middle of the day, but fine. We got there and then Sean gave us a quick intro and we did like loads of little tasks, one of them being look for light essentially. And this is what I tried badly here. I got the cliche shots, but this guy really made my day. His name is Osiris B. We then were asked to put the camera in auto as like an exercise, and I missed these shots, but I still like them, but I wish I had my camera in manual. And then I tried to be arty. This is not art, this is lines. I give up. But, you know, I tried. Looking for hidden details was another task, discarded items, and look at different things. But I became obsessed with the colour blue in Birmingham, from this guy's shoes to, you know me, the trams. I have no idea what it is about me and trams. There's something I really like. They've got a huge novelty, but it did make me stand around and wait for the moment instead of just rushing off, which is my usual thing, which is why I got this shot, which I'm kind of proud of, I'll admit. So this is a reflection, kept the rushing because why not? And then my obsession with this door begins, but much on that later. This, I kind of like the movement behind her. I wish this guy was walking in the light. And she was great. She was not moody. She was a really nice lady. Here's the obsession with this door. I don't know why I saw this light pocket, but I just couldn't make it work. And then I completely failed at this. It should have been good. It was naff. This guy made me happy though. I love this. And here's a class photo. Yeah, that's me looking really bad. And then the scariest bit, possibly showing everyone our work, but it was cool. Very chilled, very relaxed. Sean was really kind. And no trip to Birmingham is not complete for me without going to the China Court Bakery to secure the cakes. Yes. It's a very short video, as you can see, but I really enjoyed it and I want to do another one.